I'll be live with Akfalim. Yeah. This morning we're going to be sterilizing these bottles because we're going to use them to make home brewed soda, probiotic soda. So right there is the boiling water. These bottles have been washed, but now we want to use hot water to sterilize it. Okay. So let the sterilization process begin. Yeah, so let's go. Okay. Gradually, smooth it out. So these are old bottles of different drinks we bought over time. We kept them because we know we're going to use them for other purposes like storage purposes. Whenever it's time to use it, we sterilize with hot boiling water. Okay, now we are going to make sure that the corks are submerged in hot water. Those are the covers. And we're going to cover this drum. So we're able to trap some steam. You can see the steam coming out. Yeah. This is our traditional coal pot. We use it for cooking when we're using charcoal. And it's quite effective. And it does a great job. Let's quickly check what is happening with our bottles. Wow, you see that? You see the steam? I'll be live with Akfelim. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and have a nice day.